Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to use enough and to describe things in everyday situations. These two little words make a big difference. First, what does enough mean? We use enough to mean that something is as much or as many as you need or want. When something is enough, it means the amount is just right, not too little and not too much. You have exactly what you need. For word order, remember that the adjective goes right before enough. For example, the bag is big enough. Here is example 1, showing adjective plus enough. The adjective usually goes before enough. Look at the sentence. This ladder is tall enough. I can use it to reach the shelf. Following our pattern of adjective plus enough, combining tall and enough gives tall enough. Now, what does to mean? We use to mean that something is more than what you need or want, and it usually has a negative meaning. When something is too much, there is a problem because there is more than you need or can handle. For word order, remember that the adjective goes right after to. For example, the bag is too heavy. Here is example 2, showing to plus an adjective. The adjective usually goes right after to. Look at the sentence. This step stool is too short. I cannot use it to reach the top shelf. Following our pattern of to plus an adjective, combining to and short gives too short. Here is example 3, showing how not plus an adjective plus enough equals to plus an opposite adjective. The word not goes right before the adjective. Sentence A states, the toy box is not big enough. All the toys don't fit inside. Sentence B states, the toy box is too small. All the toys don't fit inside. Both sentences tell us there is a problem because the box is the wrong size. Notice how not enough and to express the exact same idea in different ways. Children, now it's your turn. Look at each picture carefully. Read the sentence and choose the correct word, to or enough. Think about whether the situation shows a problem or something that is just right. Study the picture for clues, decide if it's just right or a problem, and say the full sentence. Look at question 1, asking hard or soft. Look at the cushions on the chair. The child is not comfortable sitting on them. Pointing out too much, we say, these cushions are too hard. Pointing out not enough, we say, they are not soft enough. They are not comfortable to sit on. Remember, too hard means the exact same thing as not soft enough. Look at question 2, asking big or small. Look at the cup. It is large enough to hold all the milk without spilling, so this one is just right. Our sentence is, this cup is big enough. It can hold all the milk. Following our pattern of adjective plus enough, combining big and enough gives big enough. Look at question 3, asking dark or bright. Look at the lamp on the desk. There is plenty of light to read the book comfortably, so this lamp is just what you need. Our sentence is, this lamp is bright enough. I can read the book easily. Following our pattern of adjective plus enough, combining bright and enough gives bright enough. Look at question 4, asking cheap or expensive. Look at the trainers in the shop window. The price is very high, much more than the child can afford to spend. Since there's a problem, our sentence is, these trainers are too expensive. I cannot afford them. Following our pattern of to plus an adjective, combining to and expensive gives too expensive. Look at question 5, asking long or short. Look at the ruler. The line on the paper is much longer than the ruler itself, so the ruler cannot measure the whole line. Stating not enough, we say, this ruler is not long enough. Stating too much, we say, it is too short to measure the whole line. Both sentences describe the exact same problem. Look at question 6, asking fast or small. Look at the taxi. It is speedy and can get to the cinema on time, but there are 6 passengers, and the taxi only fits 4. Stating fast enough, we say, this taxi is fast enough. We can get to the cinema on time. Stating too small, we say, but it is too small for 6 passengers. One sentence is positive and one is negative, using everything we have learned today. Well done, everyone. You have learned 2 very useful grammar words today. Remember the key rules. Rule 1, enough means just right, and the adjective goes before enough, like tall enough. Rule 2, too means more than needed and shows a problem, and the adjective goes after too, like too short. Rule 3, not enough means the exact same thing as too plus an opposite adjective, like not big enough, meaning too small. Fantastic job today.